بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا اسمي سالم سعيد حامد الحبسي من مسقط، وكنت أشكي من ألم في رجلي فكم من سنة يعني، وبعدين تواصلت مع أحد من الأخوة من الشباب أعطاني رقم زاهد المترجم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا اسمي نبيل خلفان الفوري من سلطنة عمان من العاصمة مسقط.
Let me tell you about Salim Said Hamid. He's a 45-year-old man. He came to us with a unique condition called sickle cell disease. Now, sickle cell disease is when the hemoglobin, which is the protein which carries oxygen in our blood, it's abnormal. And in certain conditions, especially when the oxygen levels are low, the red blood cell, which carries our blood, that changes its shapes and becomes sickle or S-shaped.
جينا إلى جمهورية الهند، إلى دلهي، إلى مستشفى مترو مقابلة مع الأستاذ زاهد مترجم، وقمنا بالفحوصات في المستشفى للأخ سالم. جينا مرافقين للأخ سالم إجراء عملية مفصل في الحوض. كان يعاني من ألم شديد لأكثر من سنة، والأطباء والاستقبال هنا قاموا بالفحوصات وباللازمة، وقرروا أن تكون له عملية تغيير مفصل.
He was operated elsewhere in 2011 and post-surgery where they did a core decompression, multiple drill holes. There were a lot of complications. He went into a coronary crisis and he was shifted to the ICU. He developed DVT and pulmonary embolism, and he very narrowly escaped death. So he came to me in the OPD about 2 weeks ago with severe pain and limp while walking in the right hip, and on x-rays we confirmed that it was a 4th stage AVN of the right hip, which necessitates a right total hip replacement.
وكانت العملية 99% ضمان للنجاح، ولكن الحمد لله بات بنجاح طيب 100%، وهو اليوم في أحسن حال.
Made sure he got a clearance from the oncologist, the hematologist and the physician because of the previous history that he had, and we successfully did a total hip replacement on him yesterday. He is already walking today, luckily. Even though the surgery was technically demanding, there was a big difficulty in trying to get the cup into the bone and the stem of the femur implant into the femoral canal, because there was no real medullary canal. In spite of all of that, the surgery went off well. It took a little longer time. Normally we take about 1 hour. It took about 1.5 hours for him, but luckily and with God's grace, everything is fine and he should be back to his life very shortly.
جميع الممرضين والممرضات والدكاترة ما قصروا معاي يعني في كل حاجة، والحمد لله على كل حال، والعملية ناجحة الحمد لله بفضل الله سبحانه وتعالى.